Hello everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10 step by step. Visit the VirtualBox website and select Download first. Go to the Windows Hosts section next. When you click, it begins downloading and saves to the download directory. Double-click the VirtualBox.exe file in the download directory will launch the program's installation. To begin, select Next to every item and select Install. After that, click the Finish button to launch the software. Select the Quit button to close the program. This concludes the video. If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.